Hey everybody, this is Nick with Rogue Overland, and today I'm down at Nisstec Lifts. They're your go-to company for Nissan suspension and off-road products. They also do in-shop installations. Today we're putting an Icon suspension on this Nissan NV 3500 passenger van. As you know from watching the previous video on this van, we're taking this 2020 Nissan NV 3500 and converting it to the ultimate adventure van for getting out and adventuring with kids. Now in the previous video we converted this to four-wheel drive down at Advanced Four-Wheel in Salt Lake City. In this video we're looking at a suspension setup. We want this van to be able to accomplish fast fire roads and tackle moderate level obstacles along the trail. So we reached out to Nisstec Lifts and Icon Vehicle Dynamics to come up with the perfect solution for what we need to do. Up front we are running a full coilover setup as well as the Icon Vehicle Dynamics upper control arm with their delta joint. This allows for us to achieve the lift we want in addition to keeping the alignment in factory spec. Be sure to watch this video to the end as we discuss the tire and wheel package we put on this van and how it fit. The rear suspension lift is accomplished with a simple 2-inch lift block. The shock is where you have some options. You can either run your factory shock with an extender so it's the proper length, or you can run an Icon Vehicle Dynamics shock with an external reservoir. We opted for the shock with the external reservoir so that when we're attacking those fire roads that might have some washboard on it, the shock's going to stay cooler.
Welcome to Nisstec Lifts, your home of all your Nissan suspension parts, bolt-ons, accessories, lifting Xteras, Frontiers, Titans, NV here in the back as well. Anything from spacer lifts, coilover kits, full Titan swap kits, getting you maximum travel in your suspension, all bolt-on, as well as accessories in and out of the vehicle, keeping things clean, keeping things neat. Full suspension installation shop as well. We take pride in doing the cleanest work we can and offering the best prices as well. Anything you need, feel free to give us a call, 303-388-6111.
Okay, so as you know, we have the Icon Vehicle Dynamics lift on here. Now we're down here at Discount Tire. Icon has also come in and sponsored the wheels for this particular build. They're a 17-inch wheel, 8.5 wide, and we're testing out a 20mm back spacing. We're going to go with a BF Goodrich all-terrain tire, the KO2, in a 285/75 R17. So it should fit nice, should clearance everything well, but we're kind of testing the water a little bit here, so we'll find out. We're down here at Discount Tire, not because Discount Tire sponsors us, although Discount Tire, reach on out if you want to get involved, we'd love to have you. But we're down here because we've used Discount Tire for probably more than 10 years now and just always had great success and great customer service with them. The store manager down here in Henderson, Nevada is Ryan Hayes, and great guy. Reach on out, he'll get you taken care of for your tire needs. So let's get these wheels and tires on and see how it comes out. I also want to take a minute to just remind everybody the most important thing about this build, and that's to reach on down and hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, and share this video with your friends. It helps to get this information out to like-minded outdoor enthusiasts like yourself. We hope you have enjoyed this video. Keep an eye on this playlist as the next video released will be about the Colorado camper van pop top that was installed. And be sure to check us out on all social media avenues at Rogue Overland, and we'll see you on the trail.